If you are recruiting frontline staff including nurses or retail workers with SocialHire, you can have a mobile-first strategy. A candidate can scan a QR code outside the store or send a particular SMS to get the application flow started. Here is the mobile flow, which is live in action. You can start the flow using a keyword. A set of questions will be asked including email address, mobile number. You can also provide a video recording of why you would like to work at SocialHire. This can be a video that you can record on your phone, then upload. And SocialHire can accept files like resumes, audio recordings. Here is the screenshot of video that I have on my phone, but then you will get a response. All these data are synced back into SocialHire, and the recruiters can review them. The mobile flow solution is API ready and can sync the data with other solutions like Workday or your own internal database. For more info, contact us at info@socialhire.io.